In front of me is LENOVO Tab K11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called DevCheck Device and System Info from Flare to Developer, not sponsored by the way. When your app is ready, launch it. And thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Quick tip: when you go into dashboard, make sure to click on all of those sections, not only to read all about it from this pop-up, but because by tapping on settings at the bottom right corner of each one, you will get transferred to this section in your device's settings right away. It also works when you click on gear icons at the top right corners. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!